Hello guys, nandito ako ngayon sa Barobo guys at i-meet up ko yung pinsan ko guys na magiging cameraman ko, bagong cameraman guys. Nandito siya guys, tingnan natin. Ayan siya guys, yan yung pinsan ko guys. Kaway-kaway naman dyan. Yan ang magiging bagong cameraman ko guys. O tingnan nyo, ang gwapo niya guys. So, bagong dating pa lang yan guys. Yan, sinusundo ko siya. Imaw na ka?
Ha?
Imaw na ka?
Oo, manda. Ay,
Yan guys, yan si Kuya Jeff guys, ang kapareho ng pangalan ng cameraman ni Ibana Alawi, si Jeff.
shout out guys, good morning.
Yan guys, yan ating magiging cameraman guys.
Medyo busy pa guys kunti, kung nakachat pa.
Busy guys kasi baka meron siyang next guys.